National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 12 p.m. midnight. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 5 to 7 inches of rain have fallen. Major flash flooding is expected. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Oak Park, Little Village, Chinatown, Bridgeport, Hyde Park, Streeterville, Cicero, Berwyn, and Brookfield. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of